Hi, welcome to the countryside. Let me take you on a little tour through this beautiful home where you'll be getting away from the hustle bustle of the city to relax. Now let's go to my favorite part of this house, the kitchen. Now this is where all the magic's gonna happen. We're gonna cook, wine and dine, Mediterranean style. So if you're looking to get away from the city with friends, family, or colleagues, this is your perfect chance. I hope to see you soon. Now go check out the rest of the house.